Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item here at Grantham in the Lunar Lexon Ultima 540 2017 that we've got in our used range. So here's a good look at that particular caravan in absolutely fantastic condition and really well looked after by the previous owners. In 2017, Lunar went for that black front locker box, which really stands out and shows you off as very unique. The Lexon range being a 7'8" wide body shell, so a creation of a great amount of space in the caravan on a unique lightweight caravan. You're benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You have an exterior barbecue point, a wet locker box with 240-volt socket, and this wonderful Ultima logo going all the way down the side of the caravan. You have a rear access hatch to under the French bed in this particular model, and also benefiting from a motor mover already being fitted and ready to go on this caravan. Stepping inside, you've got a nice large kitchen work surface with work surface extension, a generous sized under counter fridge, and also plenty of storage dotted throughout in wonderfully well finished light colours. You're benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination an oven and grill with pan storage underneath. The two-tone effect going through the lockers into the lounge area really offsets fantastically well with this chosen fabric scheme. A panoramic sunroof at the front, nice sized front chest with short pull-out table, and also PIR sensor for the alarm. Television point located down the front right hand side for you to pop a TV on the front binnacle. This is the chosen fabric scheme in this particular model, finished very well, and also again not a blemish on it, so well looked after by the previous customers, so getting a caravan in absolutely fantastic condition. One of the other great benefits in this particular range as well is this wonderfully large full stretch sunroof, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. In the Lexon range, you're benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system with your main command centre located above the habitation door. You have individual switch on spotlights and various lighting dotted throughout the caravan that you see here. Further storage in the centre of the caravan with an easy usable height microwave, storage located above, and also a second television point located here. Further storage underneath, and you also have a privacy blind to pull across that you see here, which clips in onto this magnet just located here. A third television point in the bedroom area, should that be a need or a consideration for you, and the two-tone going through to the bedroom with a very generous sized Hecky light. This French bed lifts up very easily on gas struts with plenty of storage located underneath, and as you see there, this caravan coming with a metal double step and also a full set of carpets. Further storage in some drawers just opposite the bed with a generous sized wardrobe with hanging rail. Also benefiting from the multi-directional aerial and Vision Plus box. Dotted around are these individual touch dimmable spotlights as we step forwards to a very generous sized bathroom area. Individual shower cubicle is very well sized, with also a hanging rail in there as well, should that be a need for you. Medium sized Hecky light, again creating a nice airy and spacious feel throughout the bathroom, with storage over the Thetford toilet and also those touch dimmable spotlights again. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Lunar Lexon Ultima 540 2017 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to call us. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and we'd love the opportunity to do business with you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.